You guys, I've arrived in the Dominican. I don't even know what day it is. There's a puppy. Hi, puppy. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is my friend Rachel. Hi, everyone. We are in the Dominican. I'm not even sure. What city are we in right now? We're still Santo Domingo. Very big city. And we're at the pineapple stand. Excited. Oh my gosh, wow. The crib. Wow. Another stop. Now we're getting coconut water. You do your thing, girl. Do not piss her off. I have a feeling. We're on a 2.5 hour drive through this little town.
But it turned into 4 hours because we keep stopping to get fresh produce.
Film it last night, but it was pitch black in here. Couldn't see anything. You know, the best part about this is we arrived and we were basically blind because it was pitch black, could not see a thing. Now when we've woken up, we are literally in the most beautiful, magical jungle. The houses, those are our friends that are down there. Hello! Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. And like move these over. I can't even believe this. This is so cool. Okay, can you guys see our bed? So Rachel is someone I'm staying with. She is an Instagrammer and a blogger and she's so awesome, and we each had our own rooms, and then we were like, we do not want to stay in our own rooms in the middle of the jungle at night since we'd never seen the property during the day. Like there's a lot of noises and like our husbands aren't with us, and we should just have a sleepover because that's more fun anyway. Hi! Hi! Here's Rachel. So anyway, we're getting ready right now and we're gonna go meet everyone for breakfast. I'll introduce you to some other peeps. And yeah, I think we're gonna go on an ATV tour today. We're gonna go to the beach. We just have so many fun plans. So many things to do. And look at this. This is like legit. See this, guys? You sleep in this, that way the bugs don't get you. And it's not really even bugs. Like, I haven't really seen any bugs here. And I know there are bugs here, but I haven't seen very many. It's really just the lizards. There's like all these little baby lizards that were like covering our net last night. It was actually kind of cool. Because they're not big, so they're like cute. But as soon as they start getting big, then they may not get so cute. I mean, they're so cute, but you know. Okay, I'm gonna get ready and I'll introduce you to some more people. Okay guys, we are seeing this place for the first time. Look how beautiful it is. Guys, this is my friend Cami. Hi. Hey Leo, the best chef in the Dominican. the new beach, and we're gonna ride these boats. We're gonna take a boat ride to another private island, and you can't get there any other way besides taking a boat, apparently. So we're driving back to the hotel, and we ran out of gas. And the sun is going down. We made it! We made it! You saved us! Woo! We're back at our hut. We're looking over photos. Everyone's working. Literally. Do you see all these laptop computers? It's pretty funny. But we're drinking our Mai Tais, and we had a delicious dinner. You guys, the food here is unstinking real. It's crazy. And I'm just having the best time here. I'm gonna turn the camera so you guys can see, but they're like playing games and playing the guitar, and it's just like such a fun, I feel like I'm at like adult camp, like summer camp, with like the most amazing, genuine, loving people. It's really fun. And we had such a fun adventure of a day. Tomorrow we are going zip lining. It's gonna be another good one. I can't wait to show you guys. But I'm gonna sign off for now, and I'll see y'all next time. Good night.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Good morning, everyone. Today is another beautiful day in the rainforest. Today we just had breakfast behind me, and we are all about to get ready to hike up to the top of the mountain and zip line down. It's gonna be pretty crazy, but I'm so excited. Oh, then I think we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna have a picnic. We might do a little hiking, but wish me luck.
1 hour later.
Are you kidding me? Oh, there's 3. I literally am burning in muscles I didn't even know I had. Whew. Hold on. We can take a break. Yeah.
Like, you'll feel good after hooking up first thing.
Totally.
Also, it's a great reward that you get internet.
You do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
It's like pure internet.
That's the reward for a bunch of bloggers. Pure internet.
Amen.
Woo.
Give me some.
Was it?
Are you on the motorcycle or the RV?
We made it. All right, I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Whoa. This is a lot scarier once you're here. Okay, I'm going upside down now. Sit down, face this way. Lean back. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh. everything. We finished ziplining. I've switched outfits and we're gonna go to the beach. Bike ride to the beach, and then we're gonna have a picnic. It is time for lunch. Whoa, it feels so tall. The food here is absolutely unreal. Mostly because it's just so fresh. They make their own bread, they obviously have their own chickens, and what else do they have? All of their vegetables are grown here. Everything is like, I brought food just in case I didn't like it. I haven't opened any of my own food, not once, because their food is so good. There's nothing like showing up in Atlanta in sandals and shorts when it's snowing outside. After I've been in hot, muggy weather. Getting some really good looks.